everyone, I'm going to share with you how to make a very easy coin wallet. And so I have this one right here. This one, you can, if you're interested, you can check in my description for the link. And this is 4 inches and a quarter. Okay, and the fabric here, I only use one piece for this. So this side is 10 inches and a half by 12 inches long. To fold it on this way, so you can see. And I'm going to press, not press, iron. Gotta say it right. And then I open this so you can see the line right there. And I also go into this side again. And when you do something like that, you make sure the line that you just iron it matched. And you iron this one. So you divide this into 4 like this, okay? Alright, we're done with the iron for now, and I'll go into this side to show you. This is the 12 inches. We're working on this side, right? So here I cut 2 fabric that I already pressed and ironed, but I show you. This side right here is open, is 2 inches and a half by 6 inches long. Half an inch on each end, I fold it in, and then I fold it in half just like so, and you go to iron this, and I have 2 of them. Okay, so let's just mark on the side so we can sew. If I can find my pen. Oh my goodness, someone stole my pen again. Oh, here. Alright, I'm using a marker because I want you to be able to see what I'm doing. Okay, so now you can see that we have the 2 lines right here. From that 2 ends in, I'm going to mark half an inch. Make sure go straight on that line, okay, and mark half an inch. So half an inch, and then over here half an inch. Okay, you're going to place this one on here, right on the line that you fold. And you can pin it down. You can do whatever to have it stay down for you. Pin, cannot clip because you're gonna sew it in. Okay, so that is one side for that, and this side you're going to do exactly the same. Go in right into that half an inch that you mark. Go right on the line that you fold in the center. And you're going to pin this. Pin this little far from the fold. This is the fold and this is the 2 open, okay? It's a little cold today when I drop my kid in school. Alright, so now you have something like that. Make sure it's nice and straight out. You're going to fold this back. Make sure everything is lined up and meet up nicely. You can clip this side if you want to, everyone. Now I have this lined up nicely. You're going to sew a 1/4 of an inch seam allowance. You're gonna sew from this side all the way to this side, a 1/4 of an inch. Okay, so after I sewed it, I'm going to open this, and now you have this side that's sewed in, and you can take this out. Take the pin out. Okay, after you take the pin out, you can press. Okay, now after this you're going to go back and you're going to fold it back the same way. We're going to sew it together. So you're going to sew a quarter up and in seam allowance. You're going to sew this down to here, going up. You're going to leave about 2 inches open. So go sew from here, a quarter up and in, go to here and stop. Go into here, sew it all the way and all the way to here. Very simple. So everyone, after I sew and I left it here open, you can go and trim the corner. Trim the corners. If you want to make a drawstring bag, you do exactly the same way, okay? All you do is just put the string. Get the pin and then you go on to take this out, the corner right here. You can make like so many. Just go buy a yard of fabric and you can make so many drawstring or coin pouch for the gift for the holiday. Or you don't need to use coins, you can put gift in there. Gift card or chocolate or whatever you want. It is so cute. There's 2 styles you can put it in here. The one can go with the string. The other one you can put the flexi frame. Okay, I'll come up with the frame or whatever you can call that. You go on the pull like this and it line down for you. You press and you can sew it if you want to take your time and do it the nice and prettier, even though it's inside, but you can also do the blind stitch for that. Okay, I'm gonna go from the inside here. Some people don't know this stitch, and every time I have the new video, I have a new subscriber come in, so don't mind me. I'm showing you a few here for the new subscriber. Okay, so I go inside of here and then you can see that fold. We have it one fold away from me and one near me. Okay, so I'm going to slide the needle on the fold away from me, not mean to poke my finger, and then go into the fold near me. Try not to go too far apart. The same length at the running stitch. Same thing at the running stitch, everyone. Okay. Okay, and then you continue to slide the needle on each side here. You don't need to pull until you do a few and then you pull together. This is what it looks like. Continue to do so. When I was in Vietnam, we have only one sewing machine and my older sister used it. And we mostly do quilt, hand quilt. Cut in the hexagon or pentagon, and then we cut a lot of them, and then we sat right on the floor. We have marble floor because it is hot in always hot in Vietnam. So we sat on the marble floor and we start to do that, putting together. But we cut like, oh my goodness, it's a lot of work. When we back in Vietnam, we cut like so many hundred of the hexagon, right, from the paper, and then each of the hexagon from the paper hexagon we wrap up with the fabric hexagon, and then after that we sew baiting stitch around that. And then after that, after we're done with that, then we go back and then we sew the corners of the hexagon together to make something. It's a lot of work, but we enjoy it because it's fun when we sit a few people and then you talk. It's so fun. I remember, I don't know why, but in Vietnam when you're little, it's like taking nap is like so demand. Every day you have to take a nap. So my older brother, the one that passed away, right? He very kind, but very strict. So around that time, he's like, go take a nap to me and my sister. And then we like, oh no, it's like so much fun around the neighbor. We have the people, like we have the ice cream bicycle go by, not ice cream truck like here. And then we have all kind of thing making noise outside. We like it, We're like, no, we don't want to take a nap. But my brother like, take a nap. So me and my sister pretend. We lie down. I remember we lie down for like long time. We did very well. We lie down for about 45 minutes. We mess our hair up, and we pretend we just woke up from the nap. Oh my goodness, that is so fun. All right, everyone. So when we get to here, to the end here, you can do the knot. That. And you come out, you see how it is? Look like you do on the sewing machine. Look at this. Okay, if you don't want this, you can just do whatever you want. But I like to do this. It's nice and neat, clean looking. Alrighty, so now you use the iron and you go on to iron all around. The flexi frame. Okay, that's the name of it now. I think that it is. That's what it's called. Flexi frame. I visit my mom every day and people say that she's not there. I know she's not there. So we're gonna stuck one inside. And now, ta-da, you have it. If you want, you can sew at the end here. You can sew it here, but I like to leave it like this. So when you wash it, you can pull it out and you wash it. Very cute. Now, if you want a drawstring, drawstring bag, you can do the string. You can cut about like, I would say 15 inches or so, and you cut two. So you go on around to here one, and then you go this one around and then two. Then you tie it. I'll have to do it. I'll show you. All right. I cut here like 20 inches. You can go less than 20 inches if you want to. It's up to you. And then you go to one side like this. And you go onto the other side. This is one but with two style. Okay, you can decide whatever you want, the flexi frame or the drawstring. So, and now that is one, and I do the other. Whatever you go from that side, you go on the opposite side, so you can have string go on two sides. Okay, I'm gonna go from here, go the other way. If I can do it, everybody can. You will say, oh, you go away, make it so easy. No, you can make it easy too. Just do it. You don't do it, you don't know how good you are. Everybody is the same here. I'm no different than you, and you no different than me. We are the same. We're here for each other. Okay, so now we'll go on the pull. So I'm gonna hold this way. So one side, and then this belongs to this side. Make sure you do this, and then you have two sides right here, and then you can make this drawstring, just like so. Super easy. It's easy to make, and it's so good for give it out for the gift during the holiday, or you can do any day if you do some kind of charity sale or something like that, whatever you want. Okay, so this is one style, and then you can make another one. I use the flexi so you can see, okay, how cute and how adorable this is. That is so cute. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this out, everyone, and show you the other style. Save the ribbon, and now you're going to bring this flexi frame over this two opening. You're going to slide one on each side right here. Zoom it in so you can see. So now when it gets to this end, you're going to fold it so that middle thing right here, it go right into that, and then it have the little thing right here. You go on, so get this, and then closing it, and now it's closed. Simple and easy. And when you put the money in here, it won't fall out, I promise you. Okay, you can try it, put it on, and then go walk in front of me. Everything fall, I'm gonna collect them. Put it like that, it open for you. Okay, you can put coin in here, and you can put a card and cash or whatever. Okay, you put card in here, whatever you want. And then when you're done, close it. Nothing coming down, even if I shake it. You see, it's sealed very nicely right here. Suggest you to do this. Wendy, I hope you're making this. This is super easy. You see how it is? Super easy. That is that, everyone. Stay safe, take care. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also click on the bell notification too, so every time I upload the video, you get notified. Now kid back to school and I'm around, so I will upload more video with you. And plus I have a lot of video that I need to edit and upload for you, so you can see what you like to make for yourself, for gift, or even to sell. Love you, stay safe. Thank you for the people who support to my channel membership, and also donate to my channel and watch the video to the end. Love you. Have a good day, everyone.